Now, we must understand as to why should there be food security in a country. Why should food be secured or why should it be stored? Now, whenever disasters occur, drought, famine, flood, earthquake, then what happens? The food grains or the food decreases in the market. If the conditions continue for a longer time, then the food grains become so less that the starvation actually takes place. That is, people start dying because of lack of food. And when there is starvation, that is, you do not get proper and sufficient food, it leads to malnutrition. The worst ever famine which occurred in India was in the year 1943 in Bengal, wherein 30 lakh people died because of hunger, because there was no food available. None of this kind has ever been repeated in India. That is a disaster of that level, but Orissa, Rajasthan and Jharkhand have been experiencing such kind of famines or disasters in India. Now, who are the people who are food insecure? That is, who are those people who actually feel that they do not get sufficient or nutritious food? If I talk of the people living in the rural areas, then the landless farmers, petty artisans, workers in the farm and such casual workers, they all are the food insecure people. If I talk of the people in the urban areas, then the people who have ill paid occupation or who are casual laborers, that is, they do not have sufficient money to buy food, are the food insecure people. Even the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and the other backward section of the society who have not been able to progress economically are the food insecure people. Then the migrants, that is, who move from one place to another in search of employment or because there was a natural or man-made calamity in their district, also are food insecure people. The women also are food insecure, that is, the pregnant women especially who should have sufficient to eat sometimes does not get sufficient to eat, leading to malnutrition both of the mother and the child.